How to install the Sololearn app on iOS. Want to learn coding on your iOS device? Installing Sololearn is quick and simple, and let's see how to do it. First, open the App Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here at the top you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Sololearn. Once you type it in, hit search. Now look for the official app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the Get button. Tap Get to start downloading the app. Once it finishes, open Sololearn from your home screen, or you can tap Open from here. Now you are ready to dive into coding courses and practice right away. If you have trouble downloading, check your internet connection or storage space. What coding skills are you excited to learn? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.